you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shujatana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you're interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So in today's video, you guys already know by the title that I am going to review a new launch, and the hottest newest launch in town are the makeup by Popexo, like the My Glam Popexo makeup. And I have the eyeshadow palettes with me right now. I have two palettes and these are Popexo makeup collection, Hot Mess 4 eyeshadow kit, and I have the Sand Nudes eyeshadow palette with me as well. And I would be reviewing and sharing my first impression with you all. I've got them very recently. I haven't even used them, but today the first time I used them and created this beautiful eye look on my eyes. So if you want to know my take on these palettes and also want to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. First of all, go and watch how I created this eye look and then we would move on to the review part. So I have two palette options today, a colorful palette and a nude palette as well. But even though this color is matching really well with my outfit, I'm still thinking about going with this palette because we have shimmers and mattes both in this palette. So I would be able to understand how the palettes are performing. But still, I might use this pink shade as well. So let's see. I'll start off with the look first and then I'll see what colors I'm incorporating and from which palette. So yeah, let's start. So first, I think I'll take this shade, this pink shade from this palette, and I will apply it on my crease. I am taking a small amount of it because I do not know about the pigmentation of this one. This is pigmented. So I'm liking the pigmentation a lot. And next I'm taking this nudes palette and I will take this matte shade and I'll blend this in. This is very pigmented. And I can see the shades blending so well. I'm highly impressed. The only thing that you need to keep in mind while using these palettes is that take very small amount of it and build the colors really well, because they are buildable and they are very pigmented as well and they will blend beautifully. I'm loving how effortless the blending is. Like, I do not need to put a lot of effort in blending these shades. I do not know about the darker shades, like the shades in this palette though, like the orange and the yellow. Do let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial using just this palette. I would like to do that for you all, but in today's video I would not be incorporating the, you know, like the brightest shades because I want to go for the nudes palette today. So do let me know if you want to see a tutorial using that palette as well. I will now apply this shade on my eyelid. I'm using a brush to apply this one. Let's see how it applies, and later I can even use my fingers to apply this, but first I will use the brush to see. Nice. Let me use my finger also. It's applying better with finger. I'm loving how this is not too shimmery or sparkly but giving a very nice sheen. I am in love. But if you're expecting it to be blingy on the face, it is not like that. But I am loving the sheen that it is giving right now. I will now take this pink again and I will apply it on my lower lash line as well. And next, to finish off the eye look, I am feeling like using this colored pencil. This is the My Glam Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Wicked. It's a beautiful purple. I would apply it on my lower lash line. And I will tightline my water line with the My Glam Jet Set Kajal Eyeliner in the shade Noya. And now I will take this orange shade from this palette, Hot Mess palette, and I will apply it on my inner corners. Wow, I love popping inner corners. So I have finished the rest of my face makeup as well, and for lipstick I have used this My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Foxy, one of my most favorite nude. You can see how beautiful this is looking, and I'm in love with the look that I have created today. Almost subtle nude eye look with a popping in a corner along with nude lipstick, and this is the finished look. And now we would move on to the review part. So now we are moving on to the actual review part of these eyeshadow palettes. So this is how the palette looks like, and this does comes with this cardboard kind of thing, like this outer covering, and when you remove this off, this is how the palette looks like. So I would tell you all what is all mentioned in the packaging, like in everything that is mentioned over here is mentioned over here as well, which is a great thing. So even if you are throwing this off, that wouldn't be a problem, because every single thing is mentioned over here as well. So this is the Hot Mess 4 eyeshadow kit, and the ingredient list, the manufacturing details and marketing details, everything is mentioned in the packaging itself. This is a made in India product, and this is a cruelty free product obviously, and all My Glam products are cruelty free. So also the manufacturing date is mentioned over here. This is manufactured in 2021 and has a shelf life till 2024, which is great. And that's about it. This has 4 grams of quantity, like 4 shades and 4 grams, like you can expect 1 gram for each pan, so which is very decent. And yeah, that is how the thing is. So now we would come on to the actual product, and this is a magnetic, this has a magnetic closure. This is made of cardboard, and this has a magnetic like closure, like look at that. This makes a sound, and the magnet is very hard, so there's no fear of this opening up or anything. You can carry it in your purse or anywhere. This would not open or damage this product. But however, I would suggest you all to not give a lot of pressure over this one, because this is of cardboard, so do not give a lot of pressure over this one. But yeah, and the packaging is quite sturdy. So this is how the packaging looks like, and after you open this one, this is how this looks. And this does not have a mirror in it. We cannot even expect a mirror for a palette for 299 rupees only. So this is how it looks, and this does comes with this safety protection kind of thing, and I would suggest you all to keep it here only, because that way the colors would not go and dirty this up. This is just my personal suggestion. I always keep the plastic package, like the protective thing. So yeah, that is how it is, and this is how the palette looks like. This is the Hot Mess palette, and in this palette you're getting beautiful bright shades and one nude peachy kind of shade as well. So let me share the swatch of this palette with you all. So this is this one. Wow, nice. That's the orange. Wow. That's the yellow, and this one is the pink. You guys can see these are very pigmented. The orange and pink are beautifully pigmented. I've used them on my eyes as well. You guys have seen that. And I have not used the yellow or the peach. These seems to be a little less pigmented than the other two. But in any way, I feel like you can still build this up. The yellow looks a little powdery, and but I think I can build this up. So next one is the nudes palette, Scent Nudes palette, and I have used it on my eyes, so you guys have seen the demo already, but still I would share the hand swatches with you all, because I have not used 2 shades from this palette. Today I have used only these 2 and not these 2. So let me share the swatch with you all. I am swatching the brown matte shade first. Let me rub the previous one first. So the brown is very less pigmented. This is a cool toned brown kind of shade. And that's the shimmery coppery brown. This is beautiful. And this is the pinky shade, the matte one. And this is the shimmer pink. I really love the shimmer, the sheen that it gives, but the matte shades are not looking very pigmented, but these shades are buildable. Because I have used them on my eyes today, I can say that they are very buildable. So you can definitely build them up. So yeah, that was the swatch of the Scent Nudes palette. So now if I talk about whether you guys should get this palette or not, you can definitely give them a try. Because first of all, if you're a beginner and if you do not like to invest a lot in eyeshadow palettes. You can definitely go for this palette. They also have another variant. I don't have that one. You can check that out on the MyGlam app as well. I would leave the link of all the products in the description box, and also the offers and coupon codes and everything that would be running at the moment. So do check the description out for that. You can definitely go for these palettes. I highly recommend you these palettes because these are really nice to have. Like, if you like handy cute palettes, you can definitely give this one a try. I really liked both the variants that I have with me right now. And this is just for rupees 299. And right now there's a special offer going on that if you're getting things from the Popixo collection, you can get a flat 20% off. I would leave the coupon code on the screen and also in the description box below. So do check that out as well. You can get a lot of offers on MyGlam, so you can get it for even lesser. So yeah, these were the palettes, and I really like these palettes. So that was it about my take on the palettes. This was my first impression as well as review on these MyGlam Popixo collection palettes. I really loved how cute they look, and the price is also very affordable. So if you want to try them, you can definitely go for them. I hope the swatches were helpful for you all. I also created this eye look, and I'm in love with how this turned out as well. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. Do check it out from there and follow me on my Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.